How to use Rocket Lawyer Will and Trust online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Rocket Lawyer makes creating wills and trusts online easier than ever, but beginners often make mistakes that can invalidate documents or cause family disputes. You won't believe how simple errors can create big problems. The first mistake is not providing complete information about beneficiaries, assets, or guardians. Missing details can result in unclear instructions or contested wills. Always collect accurate information before starting your document. Another common error is assuming the online document automatically meets state requirements. Wills and trusts must follow specific state laws to be valid. Rocket Lawyer provides guidance, but double-check requirements and, if necessary, consult an attorney. Many users skip proper signatures and witnesses. Even digital wills may require witnesses or notarization depending on the state. Failing to meet these requirements can void the document. Overlooking updates is another pitfall. Life changes like marriage, divorce, or new children require adjustments. Set reminders to review your documents regularly and update them to reflect your current circumstances. Finally, some assume a will or trust alone ensures smooth probate. While they simplify the process, you may still need legal guidance during execution, especially for complex estates. To use Rocket Lawyer Will and Trust online properly, gather complete information, follow state requirements, ensure correct signatures and witnesses, update documents regularly, and seek legal guidance if needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your estate plan will protect your family and assets effectively.